Today, I will show you how to quickly bring quality of your videos to a perfect level. We will use two applications for this. First, we start from the After Effects application. After opening the video, we right-click where the video is and click New Adjustment Layer. We will add sharpness, brightness, and saturation to the video. You can use the values I used here, but remember that you may need to change the brightness and saturation settings depending on the video you will use. You can check the old and new version by clicking on the eye icon here. I make other adjustments quickly. Since I don't want to extend the video too much, I follow the steps quickly. Now, we are rendering. The next step is our second application. Here the processes may be a little slow due to your RAM not being sufficient. Since my RAM capacity is 16 gigabytes, the process takes a short time. If you encounter any problems in the application, write them in the comments and I can try to help. I found these values by trying them. You can try different values if you want. If you click on Preview after setting the values, you can watch a part of the video before processing the entire video. As you can see, the quality improves tremendously. If we like the quality, we can render quickly. If you want to thank me, you can subscribe to my channel. As you can see, this is all the steps. If you want to ask anything, you can write a comment without hesitation.